If your kitchen's fancier than last year, your insurance should be too. Upgrades are awesome, unless your policy missed the memo. Let's fix that together. Your home is your biggest investment. But when was the last time you checked your insurance? Most Florida homeowners don't realize their policy might not cover new upgrades, rising home values, or even added risks. Did you update your kitchen, replace your roof, or put in a pool? If your coverage hasn't kept up, you could have gaps, and that means trouble if disaster strikes. And here in Florida, hurricane season is always around the corner. Don't wait for a storm to find out you're underinsured. At Herrera Insurance Group, we'll review your policy for free. We'll check for coverage gaps and make sure you're protected so you can relax. Go to herrerainsgroup.com and schedule your free mid-year review today, because peace of mind is just a quick check-in away.